Hi everyone, I'm Nilima. Today I'm going to share the recipe of very healthy and tasty protein-rich plain Toor Dal, which is also called pigeon peas in English. This is a cup of lentils. Transfer it into a wok. Dry roast it on low to medium flame till the raw aroma is lost. After roasting, lentils change the shade to light brown. This is the shade of the lentils. Now, transfer the lentils into a vessel. Wash them twice thoroughly. Be careful while washing, as the lentils would be hot after roasting. See, this is the shade of the lentils. These are the washed lentils. Now, transfer the lentils into a cooker for boiling. Add 3 cups of water for 1 cup of lentils. Cook on medium flame for 6 to 7 whistles. Put off the stove after 6 to 7 whistles. After vapor escapes, open the lid. I'm mashing it with a hand masher. You can even use a mixie jar to do the same. Add half spoon turmeric, salt as required. Here I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly together. Serve it with rice with a spoon of desi ghee. I'm serving this with single polished rice. We have this type of rice every day. This is a very healthy dish even for small children. We can enjoy it with a green chili also as a combination. If you like this recipe, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon to be updated with my new uploads. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.